So today I'm going to be teaching you on how money works. Yeah, a lot of people actually make money, and all the money that comes to you, you have to go out and make the money. So it's important that understanding how to become wealthy would help you to position yourself on how you intend to create wealth. And today we are just going to be looking at simple steps on how to get wealthy. Everybody knows that money is important, and that's why we all work. We work to earn money, and we earn money to pay our bills, we earn money to pay our debt, we earn money to pay whatever it is that you want to pay. But the thing about it is that many work to pay their bills. Many work to buy the things that they want. So they trade their time for their money. Yeah? And when the money comes, they put the money into the various things that they desire. The challenge is, if you continue to do that every time you work, you use it to pay your bills, you use it to buy, try to do things that you really need. You keep working to do that. So sometimes the next thing you are going to be thinking about is, how do I increase my income so that I can pay more bills? And every time you increase your income, your standard of life will change, the way you'll be able to change, even globally, let's look at it, your responsibility will increase. And so every time you increase your income, you find out that your responsibility increase. If you have seen that, just go to the comment section and write that it happened. So when you increase your income, your responsibility increase. Maybe your light bill will increase, you move to a bigger house. And so every time you just increase your income, you increase your responsibility. So it's something that is normal. You are not doing something wrong, it's normal. But the problem is, if you keep at that and you're not coming up with strategic ways to change that, you discover that you just be in this rat race, you just be in this bubble for a very long time. So let's now look at what are the different things that we can do to change this. Number one, understand what money is, understand what currency is, understand the fundamental of what it is. Every income is a seed, and when you do not plant a seed, what happens is that a seed dies. That is, you didn't plant it in a good environment, it can die. The second thing, if you plant a seed in an environment that you do not nurture, the seed will also die. The third thing is that if you eat a seed, then that's the end of the seed. What that means is that the life of the seed is in the seed. So when you eat the seed, you are taking the very essence of the seeds to grow, so it's dead because you have eaten the seed. Many of us sometimes just have an income and we eat the income. That means would reduce or cut short the productivity of that seed, which is your income. So that's the first mistake you make. The second mistake is thinking that you need more work, more opportunity to grow your wealth. And let's assume the opportunity doesn't come. Let's assume the work doesn't come. Then what do you now do to increase it? That's the second thing. The third mistake you make is you think that you need to change your environment for that to happen. So what if you change your environment and you have more bills to pay, so you go back to the same thing that always happened? So how do we change all this? So I'm going to give you 3 simple steps of changing it. So if you're interested in these 3 simple steps, I want you to go to the comment section and say, I'm interested in these 3 simple steps. Number 1 is understanding that you need 4 doors in your life. Say 4 doors. You need the income door, you need the investment door, you need the outcome door, and lastly, which I think that a door is very important. You need a door that leads to compounding. So let's talk of the income door. How do you turn one income door to multiple doors? Because if you have one income door, it automatically means that you are going to receive income from only that door. But one door, you can expand it to multiple doors. Let me give you an example. I wrote a book because if you don't understand that one door should work multiple times, then the door will need a lot of servicing. Like you see your life, you need a lot of maintenance so you don't die. You need a lot of time to sleep. So when you take in so many jobs, you don't have time to sleep. And what then happens that it's possible that you drop dead. Many have dropped dead because of the kind of jobs that they do. Why? Because their door is there. That's they at the door. So every time the door is active, the door is opening and closing, open and close, open and close, open and close. And the more you open and close, the spring that opens the door and close and close and close gets to wear out. So sometimes people wear out because they are just using one means, which is there as the door. So let me start with you. Do you know you could actually produce something that you don't need you? So let's think of someone that has something you know how to do very well. People come to you with that thing you know how to do very well. So every time people are calling you, they're asking you, and you know how to do this thing, tell me about it. You keep telling them about it. You are excited that you are helping people. Have you ever thought of monetizing it? Have you ever thought of how do I get this thing that I know how to do very well? How do I package it? How do I get more people to do it? How do I get more opportunity? How do I make this a revenue? How do I make this an income? And that means that every time you do that, you receive an income. That still depends on you, but that's another way. That's another income because you're already doing it anyway. Nobody's paying you for it. People call you and say, I want to buy a car. So I know somebody that is selling a car. I know somebody that can give you a ticket. I know somebody. What have you done without knowing somebody? Many of you don't understand the power of leverage. Leverage is money. See, no rich man just takes you to somebody. Every rich man taking you to somebody has something they are doing with that leverage, that opportunity, that information, and that time. So the poor man always feels that you have to work very hard. So those kind of connections is normal. I just do it. I'm just a nice person. No, being nice doesn't make you rich. And in the life we live in now, you discover that people that are very nice, they die and nothing happens, So the Lord that we all serve, I think you're a Christian, didn't say that you shouldn't be paid. It's a labor. It's a job. You live. You spend time to source for that information. You spend time to make a phone call. You spend time. Some of you even use your credit, and you feel it's normal. It's not. You just need the right approach on how to pull that as an income. That's one. Number two, the same thing that you can make it a book. Yeah. So I wrote a book like maybe 4 years ago, and every year I make money from the book. From my book this year, I've made over maybe $20,000 to $25,000, and I wrote that book once. So to be wealthy, what is this one thing that you can do once and keeps giving you money all the time? That's the first door. So you see, the door of wealth, which is you. How many things can you do once that keep giving you money all the time? How many things can you do once that keep giving you money all the time? That doesn't need you anymore. Then the second thing you need to do to that door is to now set systems and structures on how that this thing that I have discovered, how do I get more people to understand that I can give them this value? Because value is where income comes to. Income doesn't come to people that are crying. Many people are crying on social media. The best they can do is to cry. They get some peanuts, they get on people to give them something, and it ends there. But what if you turn that hurt into something that people can learn from? Then you create a system where more people can learn. I can only buy from people that know me. Many people that buy anything from me today is because they met me maybe on social media, met me in a location, met me in a gathering. Nobody buys from a ghost. So how do you become visible enough so that people can see what you are? I'm still talking about one door. I remember how many doors did I say we were going to talk about? Maybe like how many doors? So go to the comment section and tell me about the door. I'm still talking about one door. Then that's income. Then how do I use this as leverage? The doors I cannot open. How do I have partnership with people, understanding things that I know how to do very well and offer it to them, and leverage on the people that they know that can expose me to their own contact? How do I do that? So are you thinking about that? Are you even thinking about what you know how to do? You can write in the comment section. Let's know what you know how to do. Another person on the comment section can also see that you know how to do it. But before you begin to charge or tell people to pay you for what you know how to do, one thing I would say is that get the right knowledge, get the right visibility, learn how life is. It is easier now to make money than before. It's easier. So if you're not making money now, it means that you are cheating yourself, because the truth is there is so much that you know that only you know, that the world is waiting to know, and that is your money. So how do you put that out? How do you show people that? How do you use it to help people? Because helping people is what is important. Once you help people, they will exchange their money with you. How do you want to do that? So we have a community of thousands and thousands of people across my social media, across my community. I have over 500,000 people. So if you join the Wealth Embassy today, what I will do is that you now expose you to the community, and we have days where you can actually talk to the entire community on what you offer. So you need to share this video, send it to your friends. The reason why you should do that is that once those friends come to join the community, you have more people. So it's not all about it's not all about me now. It's about me and you. So already we have a lot of people. We're talking about 500,000 people and above. But what this will do is that, just imagine everybody here listening to me shares this video, and the community gets bigger. You can then move people from that community, because I don't know how many people you have in your community. And once every week you have an opportunity to speak to the community, let them know what you can offer them, and grow your own community from the community, and then you can begin to monetize this value of yours. Nobody is useless. Nobody doesn't have something that another person needs. All you have to do is define what you have, refine what you have, and put it out there and let people use it to their benefit, and you begin to make money from it. And also, the next step is, when you discover that, be loud about it. Don't keep quiet, because somebody's waiting for that thing that you know, for them to have a better life. And just look at me today. Look at what I'm doing today. Somebody had to make sure they teach me what they know to bring me to where I am today. And that is what I'm saying. You too, somebody wants to know what you know to take them to the next level. So if you have enjoyed this video, if you have learned something from this video, share it, like it, comment, and let's take ourselves from wherever we are now to the next place. And I'll see you in the next video. Remember, we have spoken about only one door. In my next video, I'm going to talk about the second door. That is why you should subscribe. That is why you should like. That is why you should on your notification button, so that when I come for the second door, we have 4 doors. Just one door is mind-blowing. Then we can talk about that together. Love you, and I see you.